29 July 2025, I bought a domain, ariantechie.com, and I had nothing. No portfolio, no site, just a domain. I need something fast, clean, and professional. But I don't want Framer, didn't want WordPress, didn't want to spend weeks on CSS. So I did what any developer does. I searched, I explored, went down rabbit hole, and I found this Once UI, an open source design system for Next.js. I built this in a weekend. 3 months later, I am a core maintainer of their most successful project of Once UI. Please note, this is not a sponsored video. This is not an ad. So this is the story of how I fell in love with a design system and why I think it's the future. Let me explain. So I was searching for portfolio template, Next.js, modern design, phone, and somehow I stumbled across something called Magic Portfolio, built with Once UI. And I'm looking at this template thinking, this looks professionally designed, like agency level design. Apple SKUs aesthetic, clean, modern, minimal, but it's open source, dark, responsive, accessible, and fast. And it's built for Next.js. Alright, let's try. Clone repo, install dependencies, configure, customize content, add projects, adjust colors. Done. Look at this. This took me a weekend and it looked like I hired a design agency. And yeah, it's really easy to add new stuff to it. Okay, I am hooked. But who made this? So I dig deeper. Who is behind this awesome project? Lauren, indie creator, designer, developer. And I started exploring everything he has made. Figma design system, beautiful. His writings thoughtful and insightful. Once UI, the core design system powering everything. And I'm reading his story, his philosophy, his approach to design. And I am thinking, this person actually gets it. He is not building just another component library. He is building a system, a way of thinking about design and code together. Magic Portfolio, Shupa Social, Magic Convert, Magic Store, all built on the same foundation. This is not just another design or portfolio template I found. This is an entire design philosophy and really I wanted to be a part of it. So I joined the community, a design engineers club, and this is where things get special. Laurent is incredibly supportive. He is helping people, answering questions, and encouraging contributions, not in a corporate way. We accept all request way, but in a genuine, I care about what you are building way. And the community is full of amazing people, just in building incredible projects. Semikhan, Drew, also known as Dev Not Found, Sauce Boss, Osmiriel, Light, always helpful. Everyone supporting each other, sharing work, giving feedback. And you know, this is the one of the best communities I have ever been part of. Not because it's big, but because it's real. People genuinely care about good design and good code. October, November 2025, I start contributing small stuff at first, the bug reports, then features, improvements, a few updates here and there. I'm learning the code base, understanding the design token system, getting familiar with how everything connects, and Laurent's merging my PR, accepting the work, and increasing more. This is how open source should feel. Not intimidating, not gatekept. Just, hey, you found a bug, cool, fix it. You have an idea, cool, let's try it. And I am getting more involved, more contributions, more understanding of the system with, especially the Magic Portfolio, the template I started with. And one day, a message from Laurent. Hey man, I have been juggling with several projects, like 10-15 active GitHub repos at this point, and I don't have time to focus to maintain them all. Since you have used and contributed to Magic Portfolio several times, if you would like to have a bit more authority in this project, nothing serious, just merging PRs and such. This is our most successful project and it's pity I can't keep up with it. And I am reading this. This is someone I respect, someone whose work I admire a lot, asking me to help maintain their most successful project. And I replied, I really appreciate you thinking of me for this. I would be happy to help maintain Magic Portfolio. And then he replied, absolutely, you are the perfect fit for this. And just like that, I am a code maintainer. So let me show you what makes the design system special. Because if you're going to trust me, you should understand why I fell in love with Once UI. It's not just a component library. It's not just a collection of templates. It's a complete design system. But look at what you get out of the box. That's special. See, one of the portfolio that I really like is this Semikhan portfolio. He says, I absolutely love making products. That's all actual problem. But this website looks damn good, amazing. Like, awesome. It's really awesome. And I saw a scary and mind-boggling thing on this website. Warning, I know where you are. And when I click this, I am here at it. Think you are safe. Real personal information leak and all this, like, damn. But look at this portfolio. Isn't this looking crazy, awesome, cool? And it's basically beautiful. Even Lauren mentioned it, like, sleek as Magic Portfolio. But let's get back where we were. But Magic Portfolio is not just alone. There is still a lot to explore. All built on the same Once UI. You know, Once UI gives you everything you need. Button, input cards, models, navigations, forms, all designed, all accessible, and all responsive. Now it's upon you. How creative you are. Here is where it gets powerful. Block. Pre-built sections, heroes, features, pricing, FAQ, footer, and a lot. Big blocks, customize, assemble. You are building landing pages in minutes. Hero section, feature grid, CTA, footer, anything you need. And there here you go. Professional landing page, no custom CSS. And if you want to add custom CSS, you can add that too. But I'm telling you, don't need that. It's already that's so beautiful, I can't explain. Normally, this takes hours, days. Once UI in minutes. Because someone already saw the design and the layout, the spacing, the responsiveness. You just customize the content stuff. And let me tell you something more in your favor. You know, just like RAM prices and chip prices are going up and up, same with Once UI. But the difference is RAM prices can go down, but not with Once UI. You can have Pro version just for $256 per year as of now, like why I'm recording this video. Because you know, as Once UI grows, prices will continue to increase. And because Once UI stands for craft, systems and quality, contributors improving the system. Laurent vision is simple, make professional and beautiful design accessible, and removing friction from building beautiful products. And I am really happy that I am a part of this. This is just the beginning. More templates, more components, more tools are on the way. I'm already looking at $128 per year, and it's beautiful. I am early member, I am having some perks, but you know, more templates, more components, more tools are on the way. I think Once UI is going to be huge, and I'm not just saying that as hype. I'm saying that as someone who maintains and part of it, and I can tell you that this is the best design system I have ever used, and now I am here telling you about it, not because I have to, but because I want to. And if you are building something with Next.js, if you want your product to look professionally designed and beautiful, if you are tired of fighting with CSS, just try it out. I can assure you there is no going back. Once UI Pro even better. Join the Design Engineers Club. You can find the link in description. See, open source isn't just code. It's people, it's community, and it's shared vision. And sometimes it's someone believing in you, giving you authority, trusting you to help. And if you are watching this, maybe you will build something amazing. The journey starts with one domain, or I guess one design system.